Hi, so let's say you have list of people and their age. However, you'd like to categorize them according to the specific categories from column H and I. And you have like, let's say you have hundreds or thousands of data. You'd actually need to use an if function in Excel to make your work faster. Okay, so in here we have 0 to 1 is infant, 2 to 5 years old is early childhood category, and 6 to 9 is middle childhood, and so on until we reach 20 and above should be an adult. Okay, so what we're gonna do is simply write a formula, which is a if formula, and to do that we are going to start with the highest if. So if you look at the table, you have 20 and above, and then within 13 to 19. So first, you'd be able to say that 20 and above is greater than 19 for the formula. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is um, try to look at the highest value first and then begin your formula right from that one. So for example, we will write if the age, okay, so you point to the first age, and then you remember greater than, if it's greater than 19, what will you say? If it's greater than 19, then your value, if true, would be the word adult. Okay? But what if it's not true? Okay, so what you will do next is you will say if it's not true, then if, again, it's still the same C2. If it's not greater than 19, but it's greater than 12, then the value would become teenager. Okay. But what if it's also not true? Then you'd say if it's not greater than 12, then could it be greater than 9? So if it's greater than 9, then as per our um, table here, if it's greater than 9, then it should be late childhood. Okay. But if it's not, then what are we gonna do? We will say if C2, which is this one, the age, okay, yeah. If it's not greater than 9, then it must be greater, then could it be greater than um, 1? Sorry, greater than 5. If it is, then the value would be right middle childhood. And if it's not, then is it greater than 1? Then if it is, type the word early childhood. And if it's not any of these, then it's not greater than 1, it's not greater than 5, it's not greater than 9, it's not greater than anything. Then your last value would be infant. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, it identifies Grace, a female, age 10, as late childhood. So age 10 here on the table in our age category is actually late childhood. So To check for the rest, all you need to do is double click this one. Yep. And as you can see, Hope, female, 5 is an early childhood. So in here in our table, it's correct. 2 to 5 years old is early childhood. Let's say 55. 55 is above 20, so it's an adult. And let's say for 13 years old, it's a teenager. So this is the one. Yeah. Okay. Let me just correct the spelling here. All right. Okay. That's it. So that's one simple use of an if function in Excel. Thank you.